Hey, fourth graders, welcome to your math talk with Mrs. Riley. Today we're going to be talking about multi-step word problems, which means word problems that have more than one step. So let's see how many steps this one has for us. First, we need to read the full question. So Calvin paints pictures and sells them at art shows. He charges $56.25 for a large painting. He charges $25.80 for a small painting. Last month, he sold 6 large paintings and 3 small paintings. How much did he make in all? So to better understand how to break down these steps, let's analyze this word problem by drawing a picture. I love drawing a picture. So let me get my annotation tools up. And let's draw this picture out. So Calvin paints pictures and sells them at art show. He charges $56.25 for a large painting. And again, that was $56.25. So let's type that in there. $56.25 for a large painting. And for a small painting, which we'll do down here, oops, it didn't switch over. Here we go, a small painting, which we'll do down here. He charges $25.80 for a small painting. Now, last month he sold 6 large paintings. So let me mark that for us. He sold 6 large paintings, 6 large ones. So this would be 6 of these. And then 3 small paintings, so 3 of these. You could leave it like that for your picture, or you can go the step further and draw it out like this. As you can see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 large paintings and 1, 2, 3 small paintings. Now, to better understand this question, I want to read the question one more time, you guys. So let's better understand by checking what we have. Last month, he sold 6 large paintings, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 3 small paintings, 1, 2, 3 down here. How much did he make in all? Please notice that this question is looking for a total. It's looking for how much did he make in all. You need to put it all together. So you would have options here. You could simply go ahead and add all these numbers together. You could add them all together, or you could remember that repeat adding, which means to add the same number over and over and over and over and over again is the same as multiplication. So I will be writing a multiplication equation. We have 56.25 times, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then down here you have 25.80 times 1, 2, 3. And remember, at the end of this question, you need to figure out how many there are in all. So eventually you will put these answers together by adding them and figuring out what they equal all together. So to make this a little easier to see, I have prepared the next slide with those equations on there. So again, the large paintings were cost $56.25, and he sold 6 of those. We can find that. I'm going to mark this in red right here, just with the red dot. And $56.25, he sold 6 of those. And then I'm going to mark the next one in blue. He has $25.80 for each of those 3 small paintings he did. So let's do the math. 6 times 5 is 30. I put my 0, carry my 3. 6 times 2 is 12, plus 3 is 15. I put my 5, carry my 1. 6 times 6 is 36, plus 1 is 37. I put my 7. I carry my 3. 6 times 5 is 30, plus 3 is 33. Let's undo that one small mistake there. All right, so again, 6 times 5 is 30, plus 3 is 33. Now, don't forget there is a decimal right here. It has 2 numbers behind it. So down here, your decimal should have 2 numbers behind it. You should have 300, 37, and 50. Our next multiplication question here on the board, $25.80 times 3. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 8 is 24. 3 times 5 is 15, plus 2 is 17. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7. Same with your decimal, it has 2 numbers behind it, so it should have 2 numbers behind it here. We now have the answers to the multiplication question, so you have the products, but remember, you are not done because the question asks for how many there are or how much he made in all. You must put these two numbers together, you guys. So on the next slide, let's go ahead and put them together with adding. Very simple one here. 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 4 is 9. When you're adding, your decimals are stacked on top of each other and you bring it straight down. 7 plus 7 is 14. Carry that 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. Plus 7 is 11. 1 plus 3 is 4. So in all, Calvin made $414.90. So our final answer for what Calvin made is $414.90. So that would go right there and 90 cents. Well, you guys, that was your math talk with Mrs. Riley. I hope you have a great day and I will talk to you all soon. Thank you.